Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a contour drawing. Contour is a French word that means outline, but there's a trick with contour drawing. You don't want to just get the outside line, but you want to try to include some of the interior details too. The hard part is that you're going to do this without adding any shading, and you cannot use sketchy, scribbly lines. They've got to be nice, long lines. So after you choose your object, and I'm going to draw the staple puller today, you want to look at it and pick a logical starting point. So I'm going to start drawing this right here, and I'm just going to put my pen on my paper, and then I'm going to start moving around. You want to pretend like your drawing utensil, if you're using pencil or a marker, is actually moving along the object and very slowly catching all the lines that might be found on it. So I'm going to go back up now and try to capture this brown part, which is the part where your fingers hold onto it. And I've got to go up and get this bump. So you just pretend like you're slowly moving around the object, trying to capture every detail. And sometimes you'll find that you have to cut in to get something on there that has a little hole in it, that hinge, and then come back out and then continue wherever you were. That actually dips down a little bit. And again, once you get somewhere where you're sort of cut off from the rest of the drawing, you need to go backwards a little and come back and pick up the parts that you haven't gotten yet. So my angle that I'm looking at this is actually slightly different from your angle. The camera is a little more upright, and I'm looking at it a little more than the side. So it is going to look a little different to me than it might to you. There's a second layer in here. There we go. So that's good enough. So when you're done, it should have been made with only one line. You shouldn't see any beginnings or endings. It's sort of like drawing with an Etch-a-Sketch. So that's a one-line contour drawing.